Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Tete Naturals. It's your girl Tete, and in today's video I will be showing you all my deep conditioning routine. I just washed my hair with the As I Am coconut co-wash, and today I will be using the Harbor Natural Cosmetic Castor Oil and Jojoba Oil Revitalizing Mask. I got this from, I believe, Burlington. I was just in Burlington shopping, and I always check out their hair section because they usually have like different type of hair products. I ran across this one, and as I said before, it's a revitalizing mask with castor and jojoba oil. It smells really good. It smells like almost like an Avon product, if you know what Avon is, or like a men's cologne, something like that. But it's like a refreshing scent. So, as I said before, I just came from co-washing my hair, and my hair dried up with this microfiber towel. But before I co-washed my hair, I did call myself doing a protective style, and they were like mini twists, but it didn't come out exactly how I wanted it to come out. So I left it like in a ponytail for a while, or at least I think I left it in a ponytail for almost a week. Yeah, I didn't like it, so it stayed up in a bun, and my hair just started feeling like weird. So it says that this deep conditioner is used to cleanse the hair and scalp and revitalize the hair. Apply to clean hair and leave on for 5 minutes, and then rinse with warm water. If you want to listen to the back and leave it on for 5 minutes, that's okay with you. I usually deep condition my hair overnight. I feel like my hair like gets the best of the benefits of the deep conditioner when it's on there a lot longer than what the directions tell you to use. But unfortunately today I won't be leaving it on for a full 24 hours. I'm going to actually leave this on, in all honesty, until I finish my Being Mary Jane season 4 episodes. I got 8 left, so whenever that ends, that's when this will end. So I'll take just about a dime size amount and just massage it onto my hair. I've used this deep conditioner before. It left my hair like super soft, super duper soft, like pillow soft. Like, it was just amazing. It really was. It was amazing. So I was like, why not use this again? Especially since I'm going to be doing a wash and go after this. So apply it to that section. I usually, when I deep condition, especially if like I'm doing it overnight, this section will get twisted up, and then I'll proceed on to my other sections. But being that I'm not leaving this on that long, I'm just gonna twist my hair up within that section, and then that's it, and let it go. But yeah, one. So I'm just going to detangle and distribute that all throughout my hair. And like section. So I'm basically going to continue to do the exact same thing to the remaining sections and let this sit in my hair for a good maybe 3, maybe 4 hours, and then I'm going to rinse it out and come back and show y'all what my hair is looking like. But until then, I'm just going to let y'all listen to some good old music, you know, get your groove on with TT, and I'll see you guys in a bit. say is that the slip is amazing. It melts my tangles away like instantly. Instantly. But I'm going to let this sit on my hair, or in my hair. On it or in? It's one of them, y'all. But I'm going to sit like this. I think I'm going to sit underneath my blow dryer for like maybe like 30 minutes. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I just rinsed out the deep conditioner and my hair looks so good. It feels so soft and it's like shiny. It feels really good though. I'm not even gonna lie to you, fake the funk, none of that. It just feels, my hair feels amazing. If you have ever used the Harbor Deep Conditioner Revitalizing Mask with castor oil and jojoba oil, please let me know down in the description box. So no, the comment section below. I don't know what else I can say. What other proof can I give y'all? My hair is amazing. It feels so soft and it feels very moisturized. But if you haven't already, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.